LabourNet is a social enterprise focused on real income increase of workers through vocational training and education. We believe that livelihoods can be enabled through the real income increase as well as productivity increase that will result in a real income increase of workers. LabourNet's vision is to reach 500,000 workers in 5 years. So we are looking at impacting large numbers of lives, families, and doing it in a model which is easily replicable. We believe that vocational education, especially when we're looking at enabling livelihoods and vocational education as a tool for the same, is something which requires work and which requires us to focus on the methods of delivery, because to date, one of the assumptions that has been there in the world is that education is a one-stop process. So it's a continuum which you gain, and then you can go into the work market and the job market, and post that social protection is provided. Most developing countries are in transition. They face severe problems in the fact that large numbers of them will not complete education and therefore will have all the concomitant problems. Enter the job market unskilled, exit the job market unskilled, do not have the requisite income to really buy social protection for their future, as well as during crises. And this is the problem that we hope to solve, and not only for India but for the world.
LabourNet is a social enterprise that creates sustainable benefits for workers in the informal sector by offering them a platform to access services. It provides financial inclusion, social protection, and welfare services to unorganized workers, builds capacities of workers, and markets their services to customers. We set up livelihood centers in rural areas and enable access to world-class training and skilling solutions in these markets. We work with the community to recognize and register unorganized sector workers to offer them identity and financial inclusion. These workers are in turn counseled, trained, and certified on industry-relevant skills. We also try and enable job linkages through our livelihood centers.
ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮುಗ್ದು ಪಾಸಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಮನೇಲೇ ಸೆಲ್ಫಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ನಾನು 400 to 500 ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
LabourNet is one of the few training providers in India which provides on-site training to existing informal sector workers in domains such as construction, engineering services, manufacturing, logistics, and wellness. Our training module is unique because of its delivery methodology. We offer apprenticeship-led on-site training to workers. We identify senior worksmen as trainers and assign apprentices to them to learn skills on the job. We provide unique training material for trainers to be able to effectively train workers. This approach aims at creating incremental employability on a year-on-year basis based on industry-relevant assessment and certification process, followed by the awarding of a graduation degree at the end of the program.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು 30 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಲೇಬರ್ನೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಲೇಬರ್ನೆಟ್ಟಿಂದ 5 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಅತಿಗಿರಿಕೊಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ವಿಲೇಜು. ಸುಮಾರು ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು 3-4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ದಿರ. ಈ ಥರ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೂಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗು ವಿತ್ತು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗು ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 250 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೂಲಿಯಿಂದ ಈಗ 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ.